Struggling to define your personal style? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore how to find your signature style, the unique look that makes you feel confident, authentic, and totally you. From understanding your fashion preferences to building a wardrobe that reflects your personality, this guide is packed with tips to help you express yourself through style. We'll also cover how to find inspiration, experiment with trends, and create looks that work for your lifestyle and budget. What you'll learn in this video: how to identify your style preferences, classic, edgy, boho, etc. Easy ways to declutter your wardrobe and focus on key pieces, tips for mixing and matching colors, patterns, and textures. How to shop smart and invest in timeless items, building confidence in your personal style choices. It's time to ditch the trends that don't feel right for you and discover the look that truly reflects who you are. Speech balloon comment below. What's your go-to outfit that makes you feel unstoppable? Share your style journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fashion and beauty tips. Let's find your signature style together. Hashtag personal style, hashtag fashion tips,